Hi, my name's Jenny and I am doing a bag review of the Minkoff Stella medium backpack convertible. This one I actually bought a year ago. I think it was on sale for $140. On their website, I think they have the Stella crossbodies, but I haven't seen the backpack. But I'm sure you can find them on like resale sites or other websites. So they say medium, but I feel like more of a smaller bag just because it's definitely a lot smaller. It measures about 9 by 7 by 4 and real leather. It has a silver hardware. As you can see in the front, the tassels are pretty common with Minkoff. This one looks like it's one of those locks clasps, but it's actually a really strong metal. That's pretty strong. I actually have to like really pull it just to open it, so it's secure. And then in the back here, as you can see, it has the backpack. So it has the O-rings here, O-ring here to connect. You can take this strap off and connect the bottom one right here to make it into a shoulder carry. I'm pretty sure you can do crossbody as well, but you know, I'm just thinking it might be uncomfortable for me, but I haven't tried it. So this one also has a backpack, or I'm sorry, a pocket in the back. This one fits my iPhone XS Max in it, and you can see the grab handle here. This one, I love this bag just because for quick trips or like, you know, trips by myself to like the grocery store or whatnot. So let me show you how I have it packed up. Okay, so like I said, magnet's really strong. I don't mind it. Normally I like having zipper closure just because it's more, I feel like it's more secure. Like I said, I get pretty paranoid people trying to get into my bag and that kind of thing, but this one I actually have to pull off myself. As you can see, leather magnet, like I said, is strong. The interior is kind of like a denim kind of feel. And then, so like if you see my other videos, I do pouch pack quite a bit. I like having my bag look organized and rather a mess because most of the time I cannot find anything in it. So this is my Jujube custom pouch with my makeup in it, my wallet from Loungefly. This is the Lilo and Stitch, and then I have my BB pouch from Mina Bay, and this has more pouches. So my sanitary napkins are here. This is a coin purse in Jujube with as my mint pouch, and then another coin purse from Jujube with my small brush and hair ties. And then in the back here is my shot wipes, eyeglass wipes, and there's my eye drops. And then the rest, you can see sanitizing spray, hand lotion, my AirPods, and then some tissues. So like I said, one of my favorite leather backpacks. So definitely a smaller bag. It does say it's medium, but I feel like this is more like a smaller bag. As you can see, it was pretty packed full, but it didn't feel full. Like I think because it's leather, it has some give. Definitely one of my favorite leather backpacks, especially convertible. So like I said, I have little ones, and so if I take this out with my little ones and they start running around, I don't have to worry. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.